Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making a veggie dip. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need is 1 cup of mayonnaise or Miracle Whip. I always prefer Miracle Whips, and that's what I have in the house. A half a cup of sour cream. A half a package of Good Seasons Italian dressing mix, and it's about a little over a tablespoon. A teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of parsley flakes, a tablespoon of minced onion, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay, now I'm just going to mix all the ingredients together. The cup of mayonnaise, the half a cup of sour cream, and this is just under a tablespoon of the Good Seasons Italian dressing mix. And there's the teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, tablespoon of parsley, and tablespoon of minced onion, and tablespoon of lemon juice. And I'm just going to mix this together, mix it very well, and I'm going to cover it with a little plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator until it's chilled all the way through, which will take anywhere between half hour to an hour. In the meantime, I'll be cutting up some veggies so that I can actually use this dip. But once this is chilled all the way through, the flavors will combine, and it's really good. Okay, we'll be back after it's cold. And this made just about 2 cups. Oh, this is so good. It has a slightly sweeter taste than if I'd have used plain mayonnaise, but this is the way I like it. Definitely one of the easiest dips I've ever made, and it's great for snacks, parties, and it'll keep for a few days in the refrigerator. So this is one of those make-ahead dips if you're going to have a party. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.